Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 23rd of September. Guess what? Fall is here. Happened about an hour ago, around 4 o'clock this morning. So welcome the equinox. 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness today. And let's talk about the weather as we approach the weekend. We'll go to the Skycam network, take a look at some of the shots this morning. First off from Birmingham. That's from the Daniel Building downtown looking south. Here's the Gadsden Skycam in Etowah County. And from Lee County, that's the Auburn Skycam. Looks like some ground fog there. All right, big trough helping to propel a cold front down this way. That sure looks like fall is here. An unsummer-like pattern, if you will. We'll peek at the surface analysis, and that front is in northwest Alabama. And ahead of that, we have some thunderstorms this morning. That's at 5 o'clock, mainly over the eastern counties. Cleburne, Randolph, Chambers. Got some big storms, in fact, over in Randolph County. A few showers around Talladega and Clay. And boy, had some pretty big rain last night. These are storm totals, and when you see the red, that's 5 inches of rain. Had a spot there up in northeast Shelby County, around Vandiver and Sterrett, with 5 inches potentially if the radar estimation technique is right. The same thing just north of Talladega around Chaco Springs. Had some flooding issues in those spots. And again, big rains off to the east as well, but drier air takes over as the morning progresses, and that should get the rain out of here. And yeah, man, it's cold behind that front. Readings are in the 30s across parts of the upper Midwest, and again, you can see that sharp gradient. You got some 40s down into Arkansas, but around here this morning, we've got readings mostly in the 60s. Convection will occur today along in advance of that front, but organized severe weather is not expected, and that's the convective outlook tomorrow. QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week. And really the bigger rains expected to be east and northwest of here. That the rain you see there from Memphis back up toward Cleveland, that is along this secondary front early next week, and we'll see how that impacts our state. Tropics, Ophelia just being eaten alive with wind shear out there. It's struggling. And a really nice-looking wave is off the coast of Africa. They've not drawn a circle there, but I sure would, because that will be one to watch. Ophelia, with only winds of 45 miles an hour, no change in the idea. In fact, it should weaken to a tropical depression later today and make the big turn, and if it survives, it will not affect the United States. So let's look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock this evening local time. Big trough axis just to the west, and we should be in relatively dry air, if that's right. Those lingering showers ending this morning, the sky becoming partly sunny today. Temperatures should be a smidgen cooler with highs probably around 80. The NAM is at 79. The GFS shows 82 today. Tomorrow, nice day to start the weekend. We start the day down in the 50s, mid-50s likely, but we rise up into the low 80s, and the sky should be mostly sunny. Great day for football. And Sunday looks dry. Cool morning, a warmer afternoon, highs up in the mid-80s perhaps, anywhere from 83 to 86 based on modeling in the thickness scheme. And there's Monday. The deep upper low is just hanging around Cleveland and Detroit, and down below that, you can see this next front coming in here, suggesting some chance of scattered showers on Monday. Certainly doesn't look like a big rain event. The moisture's awfully limited, but we'll mention the chance. Highs, again, low to mid-80s. There's Tuesday. That boundary kind of stalls out just south of here. Maybe a shower, especially south of Birmingham. Wednesday of next week looks dry. Temperatures probably 60 at night, low 80s during the day. There's Thursday, looks pretty quiet. And a week from today, again, dry with a comfortable night, a warm afternoon. Obviously, with the thickness values, no cold air there, as we'll be in the 80s. We'll go to the end of the forecast, the 8th of October. Again, that's not a cold look for us. A nice trough northwest of here, but that looks very, very quiet. And again, interesting to note, no sign of any tropical mischief in recent runs around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.